The mountains have a lot to offer us, and it is evident that we can often miss out on a lot of things while exploring a particular place. So why not explore the less commercialized and unexplored places first? Let's start our journey. So hey guys, this is Yashish and you're watching Wonder Utopia. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified for the latest videos. And with it, I would like to sincerely apologize to my subscribers to have kept you waiting for such a long time before uploading a new video. But I will surely try and bring amazing content to you regularly from now on. Getting back to the video, we have again come to the Queen of Hills, Mussoorie. And I'm going to show you some less explored beautiful places located near Mussoorie that you might have not even heard of. So we reached Mussoorie at 7 am in the morning and booked a hotel near Library Chalk. You can easily get a hotel for $600 to $700 and I would recommend you to book a stay near Library Chalk as it is closer to all these unexplored places. After that we freshened up in our rooms and went straight for some breakfast and had some chai and Pahado Wali Maggi, coupled up with some amazing bread omelette, and we were good to go.
तो हम लोग निकल गए हैं इस वक्त अपने फर्स्ट ट्रैक के लिए जो कि है दलाई हिल का हैप्पी वैली में एंड ये है लाइब्रेरी चौक और यहाँ से रास्ता निकलता है दलाई हिल का.
Dalai Hill is about 3.5 kilometers from Library Chalk and it takes around 1 hour to reach there on foot. But the back roads of Mussoorie are literally a work of art. You can walk for hours on these roads. All you need is good company or nobody at all maybe if you are traveling solo.
इस रोड से हमें दलाई हिल के लिए इस वाले रोड पर जाना होता है और राइट साइड पर निकल जाता है केम्प्टी फॉल का रास्ता. एंड इसी वाले रोड पर कंपनी गार्डन भी है. ये यहाँ पर पूरा हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स मार्केट है एंड यहीं से कंपनी गार्डन और दलाई हिल का रास्ता.
Right from the entrance of Happy Valley, you will be able to feel the peace and calm of this place. It is unbelievably different from the crowded mall road.
एंड फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस आपको लेफ़्ट लेना है तो आप पहुंच जाएंगे बुद्धा टेम्पल जहाँ से दलाई हिल का भी रास्ता निकलेगा.
And this is the main entrance for the Buddhist temple as well as Dalai Hills. Although outsiders are not allowed inside the temple due to COVID restrictions, but Dalai Hills is accessible from here. This is the starting point of the hike and the peak is just 400 meters from here. And in the middle of the hike, you will see this beautiful structure where you can sit and relax and let the calmness sink in. We sat here for quite some time and spent some amazing time away from the crowded tourist spots in Mussoorie. And then we moved ahead to the peak. And from this point on, you can see the beautiful prayer flags just waving freely in the sky. And as you step forward, you start feeling the lovely breeze and feel good vibes of this place. And this is Dalai Hills for you. Being the highest peak around the area, you get a beautiful 360 view of the valley. The Buddha statue is said to protect all of Mussoorie from any natural disasters, war or conflicts. This is just a 400-meter hike from the starting point. So if you are traveling from a car to the Buddhist temple, then you can easily make the hike with your family as well. Let's just take you further ahead and show you around.
बेसिकली दलाई हिल का ट्रैक काफ़ी ज़्यादा लंबा तो नहीं है, बट एक्चुअली लोकेशन बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है। और अगर आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं तो जो बुद्धा स्टैचू है उसके भी आगे तक आप आ सकते हैं। और यहाँ पे काफ़ी स्टॉल्स बने हुए हैं जहाँ पर आप इजीली अपना लंच कर सकते हैं। और उसके बाद भी मैं आपको एक एंड पॉइंट तक लेके जाता हूँ, अभी मेरे पीछे जो है जस्ट। तो दिस इज़ अबाउट इट। ये एकदम एंड पॉइंट है दलाई हिल का। एंड इसके पीछे अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपको 4 खंबा दिखेगा जहाँ तक आप नहीं जा पाएंगे, बट यही एक एंड पॉइंट है जहाँ तक आप आ सकते हैं दलाई हिल में। एंड द व्यू फ्रॉम हेयर इज जस्ट अमेजिंग।
So that would be all for the video. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And also put a comment if you have any further questions. I'll see you in the second part of this video where I'll show you the gorgeous George Everest Peak. Till then, this is Yashish signing off. You're watching Wonder Utopia. Stay safe, take care and keep exploring.